I want to be a baby. Can I see my baby? I want to see me baby. Me baby.
What, when you're a baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have some. What you eating? What you eating, baby? Tell me. Your soup? Oh my God. 6 years old. Still eating soup and rice. Oxtail soup. It's good? You like oxtail soup? It's good or not?
Yeah.
Did you doa? Tell me what doa for eating. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah.
No?
Amin. Allahumma pakina fina jatana wakina azab. Bana.
Amin. Sadaqallahul-azim. Okay. Oh, yummy. Duduknya kayak mang-mang di warteg. What is you in your t-shirt? That's chocolate? Yeah, don't do that, baby. How old are you now?
7.
You going to 7? Into Mormon.
2nd grade.
Going to 2nd grade. Wow, what's that? What's that? That's your toys? Wow. The other one? That one too? And where's all the marble? Wow, my God. Wow. You going?
Just to the end.
Oh, okay. Where are you going?
There to see Grandma.
To see Grandma? You going to where? To Florida? To Florida?
What Florida mean?
Grandma house.
No. I want them to go. I want Grandma go to our house.
Yeah, we go to Florida. We're gonna pick up Grandma. Yeah? You miss Grandma?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna
Just
see
like
her.
last time?
Yeah, so Grandma come with us. Yeah? Okay? Okay, eat a lot, please. You're so skinny. Duduknya kayak emang-emang. You want more soup? What is in your soup? Broccoli? Oxtail?
Huh?
Tomato?
No.
Carrot? Everything there.
Not tomato.
It's very healthy soup, huh? You like it? You want more soup? Yes? Where's Kafanya? She's still sleeping? No. Oh, she's still sleeping. Oh, she's tired. She sleep late.
She's not sleeping.
She's not sleeping. She just wake up.
Yeah.
Okay. You want more soup? Udah? Aku udah. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, Gigi. Bye, Gigi.
Bye.
Love you. Kissnya. Kissnya mana? Love you, baby. Eat more soup, okay? I get you more soup.